In today's video, we are going to be talking about safe spices to give your dog. First, let's start with turmeric. Turmeric is like nature's medicine for dogs. It helps with arthritis, boosts immunity, and even fights inflammation. Perfect for older pups. Second is, cinnamon isn't just for humans. It helps regulate blood sugar in dogs and even makes their breath smell better. But remember, just a tiny sprinkle is enough. Next, does your dog get carsick? Try a little ginger. It helps settle upset stomachs and is a natural anti-nausea remedy. Fourth is basil. It is packed with antioxidants and helps fight infections. A little sprinkle on their food gives your pup a healthy boost. Last is doggy breath. No problem. Parsley is a natural freshener and helps with digestion. Just a pinch does the trick. You can see there are a lot of benefits to these spices, such as turmeric, which helps inflammation. Parsley is excellent for breath and digestion, and so is ginger, which also helps aid in digestion as well. Next video are spices to avoid in giving to your dog. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.